Prepare onions like this, and everyone will ask for the recipe. Here I have 4 onions. I'm going to cut them into thick slices. Once done, I'll separate the onion rings, removing the inner parts. And this is how it should look, folks. It's important that they don't break. They need to stay in this shape. Here we have cheddar cheese. I'll cut off a portion and cut it first into strips, then into cubes. Once done, I'll put everything into this bowl. Now let's add bacon. The amount is to taste. Then I'll add 1 cup of cottage cheese. And now we just need to mix all these ingredients very well. How do you make stuffed onions at home? I'd love to know your recipe. You need to stir well so that the cheese melts and turns into a filling mixed with the other ingredients. And look how it's turned out so far, folks. Now I'll take a small portion just using a spoon and we'll stuff the onions, placing the filling in the center of each onion ring. Look how perfect it turned out! Now I'll put them in the freezer until they firm up. Meanwhile, in this container, I'll add wheat flour. In another container, I'll put 5 eggs and beat them well until fully mixed. And here we have crushed Doritos. I'll pour them into this other container. I'll take the onion, coat it first in our wheat flour, then in the beaten eggs, and finally in the crushed Doritos. This will make a super crunchy stuffed onion. It'll be a hit in your house, just like it was in mine. I'm sure you'll love making this recipe. And I'll do this with all the onions, coating them by repeating the whole process. I've already heated the oil, and we're going to carefully place our onions in the pan to fry. We'll place them one by one very carefully. They're well fried now, so I'll take them out of the pan and place them on this plate to serve. I'll cut one open so you can see how it turned out. Look at this delicious filling! I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time!